How to adjust your Apex safety helmet from Malta Dynamics. At the ratchet section, you'll find two height adjustments for your helmet. It's a good idea to try both positions out to see which one is the most comfortable. Secure them both into the top or the bottom locations on each side and wear your helmet. How to replace the suspension on your Apex safety helmet from Malta Dynamics. Use a prying tool to remove the headlamp keeper tabs from the exterior of your helmet. Pull the suspension webbing through the interior of the helmet and leave hang. Once that is complete, you will unclip the chin strap from the rear, set it aside, and work on the interior. Near the ear on each side, there will be 3 tabs. Apply pressure straight up and pull away from the helmet. Once the suspension is removed, inspect the interior and exterior of the helmet for deformities, cuts, or abrasions that would render it useless. Once you have a new suspension that will include the chin strap and the ratchet, you will thread the webbing back through the headlamp keeper area. You will thread the webbing through the tab and reinstall the headlamp keeper tabs, making sure to click both the bottom and the top secure. Repeat that for all 4 tabs. On the inside of the helmet, you will find the tabs where you have previously pulled. You'll push them back in straight down until you hear them click secure. Place them in the tabs and push down until they click secure. Reinstall the clip at the rear for the chin strap, and you're finished. This is applicable for Type 1 and Type 2 Apex safety helmets by Malta Dynamics.